Today, I'm going to teach you how to round Google Sheet cells to the nearest 10. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large datasets and need to simplify numbers for easier analysis or presentation. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll be taken to your Workspace dashboard where all your Google apps are accessible. This is your central hub for accessing everything from Docs to Sheets to Drive. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to round the cells to the nearest 10. This will open up your Google Sheet in a new window, giving you full access to all the tools and functions you need to manipulate your data effectively. Now for this tutorial, I have some sample data ready to demonstrate the rounding process. Let's say you have a column filled with various numbers that you want to round to the nearest 10. The beauty of Google Sheets is that it provides built-in functions that make this task incredibly straightforward. Click on the cell where you want the rounded result to appear. This is where your formula will live and where the rounded value will be displayed. Now type equals MROUND open parenthesis. The MROUND function is specifically designed for rounding numbers to the nearest multiple, which is exactly what we need for this task. Next, click on the cell that contains the data you want to round. This tells the formula which number to work with. After selecting that cell, add a comma. Then type 10 and close the formula with a closing parenthesis. The 10 here represents the multiple you want to round to. If you wanted to round to the nearest 100, you would simply change this number to 100, press enter, and now your data is rounding to the nearest 10. For example, if you have a data value of 33, it will round down to 30. Similarly, if you had a value of 37, it would round up to 40 because 37 is closer to 40 than it is to 30. This function follows standard rounding rules, so anything at 35 or above rounds up, and anything below 35 rounds down. If you need to apply this rounding to multiple cells, you can simply click on the cell with your formula, grab the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell, and drag it down to copy the formula to other cells. This will automatically adjust the cell references for each row. And there you have it, you've successfully rounded your Google Sheets cells to the nearest 10 using the MROUND function. This technique helps keep your data clean and easy to read. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.